Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Starting with the sweet name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful, benevolent, and compassionate. As you know, in previous lecture, we have discussed the present simple tense structure, and today, inshallah, we will discuss the cases of present simple tense. So the first case is here, that is present simple tense show in action which happens daily, regularly, and habitually. Those actions which are happens daily, regularly, and habitual, like how we play scare every day, so it showed daily action. Clear? It snows in Kabul every winter, so it show regular action here. And he smokes cigarette, it show habitual action here. Clear? Note, regular actions are those actions which might have in a week, every month, or every year, etc. Regular means that if someone doing something in a regular base, for example, in year, in month, daily base, or weekly base, so in that case, that is called regular actions. Habitual actions are those actions which do not have any specific time. For habitual thing, there is no specific time because it will be your habit. So for the habit, there is no specific time. Keep in mind the another case is here, that is present simple tense is also to show present existence, state, or of being of state. Clear? Like how we are in the park, so it show existence here. She's intelligent, state of being, it shows state of being here. Ayat is sick, so it show situation or condition, state, etc. So in that case you can use present simple tense as well. As clear? The third one case is there, that is present simple tense is also used to show general fact or universal fact. What is fact? Clear? General fact and universal fact. Clear? सो जनरल फैक्ट ये हमारे पास वो फैक्ट होते हैं जो चेंज होते हैं बाय द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. लाइक हियर इज एग्जांपल, Ali is a child. So Ali is a child, but Ali is not child forever. Clear? Ali अभी बच्चा है मगर फ्यूचर में वो बढ़ेगा, बड़ा आदमी बनेगा ना, तो उसमें चेंजेस आते हैं, तो उसको हम जनरल फैक्ट कहते हैं. तो उसमें भी हम यूज़ करते हैं प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस को. दूसरी बात, यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट वो होते हैं जो टाइम के साथ उसमें चेंजेस नहीं आती, वो अब भी वो हैं, वो जो है पहले भी था और हमेशा वो रहेगा, तो उसी चीज़ों को हम यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट कहते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पे एग्जांपल है, आप देख सकते हैं, द सनराइज इन द ईस्ट एंड सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल, इट नेवर बी चेंज्ड. The fourth one case is for present simple tense is also used to show future action with future time expressions such as tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Clear? So in that case you can use the present simple tense as well. Is like how the train arrives at 9 tomorrow morning. Clear? So tomorrow morning here we use. Another case is here, expressions such as tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Clear? So in that case you can use the present simple tense as well. Is like how the train arrives at 9 tomorrow morning. Clear? So tomorrow morning here we use. Another case is here, that is with adverbs or frequency, simple present tense shows repetition of an action. Like how Sir Sharif usually goes to school software house. Clear? So usually here we use adverb of frequency, so it means that it also used in that case. Another case is here, that is present simple tense is tense in headline gives first meaning. कोई headline होगी उसमें हमें first meaning जो है शो करेगा. Like कैसे, I met Obama, it means that I met Obama. Clear? Pakistan plays India, so it's mean that Pakistan played versus India. The seventh case is here, that is it show narration or quotation simple tense. Clear? And it gives past meaning. ये हमें past meaning देगा. कैसे? For example, the Holy Prophet says, the best among you is the one who learns Quran and teach Quran. Clear? Teaches Quran. So it show narration. Another case with surrounding subordinating conjunctions like after, if, when, before, because, etc. Simple tense gives future meaning in that case. Like how if Ali studies hard, he will get first position. Clear? So it show. Another one case is here, that is with the word here and there, simple present tense show current action. Clear? Here come Ali, there go my friend, there goes my friend, there is going my friend. Clear? So there is going my friend is incorrect, and there goes my friend is correct. Another case, simple present tense is also used to answer the question start with the praise, like how often. Clear? For example, how often do you go to park? I go to park once a week. Clear? So in that case you can use. Another case is that simple present tense also used to talk about direction or give directions. Clear? Like how go straight for 3 minutes, turn left and walk for 3 blocks, and there you can see park between gas station and telephone center. So it is what? It is the show the direction. So in that case you can use present simple tense. As well as the last one, that is with the some expression like I see, I know, I understand, I bet, I hear, I get, etc. So it show the present simple tense give fast meaning, like how I know you will invite me, I know you will invite me. Here keep in mind, I have known that you will invite me. Clear? So it show I hear your voice, it's mean that I have heard your voice. Clear? Okay, thank you so much. It was present simple tense cases, and for the third lecture, inshallah, upcoming lecture, we will discuss the present continuous tense structure, inshallah. So thank you so much.